Okay, now we need to find out why I told you not to import the glass as the combined mesh. So here I will demonstrate you what happens with Illumin. So there is a thing that when you have fog or something like that in the scene, and when you have the glass in between, the Lumen just behaves strangely. It cannot calculate the multiple translucent objects, and you will have a small issue with that. And this is why I prefer to split the glass. So you will avoid those issues if you have the glass split from the model and having separate meshes for the glass. Now let's continue fixing reflections and glass issues. So if you see the glass reflections, not sure if it's possible to see. Yeah, here, for example, on the left side here, you can see that the reflection is like choppy, it's like squarish, it has some issues. So to avoid that, we need to open every glass asset and look for settings which is called high precision tangent basis. So you need to apply that to all glass models. Unfortunately, it's not possible to do in a batch edit. You can only enable that when you are importing with the Datasmith, but the Datasmith is imported through the Maya or other applications. So you would need to do that manually, unfortunately. That's not a big deal, but yeah, that is why I prefer merging, for example, the body mesh, because otherwise it is just like really time consuming to fix this. So you see the reflection is wobbly or something. You need to enable that checkbox for use high precision tangent basis and hit apply changes. And after that, the reflections are much smoother, and that would be especially visible in path tracing. So, okay, apply changes. It's getting better. Apply here. And also do that for the body, because the car paint is also affected by this setting. And you will get much smoother and softer reflections, which will not be like, you know, looking like a leather or some sort. That will be smooth and good. So, okay. We need to save everything when we're closing this window. And right now it is looking better.